Hello, Randy Rain here, and I have one of the contenders for the most annoying robot ever award. This is
Randy Robot Garage.
Yes, this is the MusicBot from Playtime, and music is in quotes. This is a bump and go robot that has one of the original electronic music makers in it. This was made back when that was brand new. Now this one's missing the battery door, so I'll have to make one of those. And I already have one, so this one's going on eBay, so let me get started. See about copying this. So this is the battery door right here. And I could take that metal piece off and then put it back, but I'm not going to. I need some of this sulfur-free clay. You scraping the bottom of this stuff, which I'm not a fan. It's too thick. The bombs away method is not the best for this. Well, I'll be surprised if this works. Way too much catalyst for that old stuff. Sure is yucky. It seems like that broke off from there. Well, music electronics is up here. Okay, so this, I believe, is battery acid. And look at this right here. Can you see that tooth? It's like burnt away. Look at that. It's goo. That's a new one on me. I'll go ahead and take this off here. I'll just do that. Yep, that's a broken gear. Oh, that one looks okay. Yeah, that one's melted. That is an idle gear. That looks okay. I want to see what a little bit of this stuff will do. Okay, now, did this work? Or do I have to redo this whole thing? Well, I think it worked good enough. Screw that. I'm going back to my Mold Max 30. I have a little bit of the catalyst left. It's the same catalyst, really. Let's open this head up. There's the big music thing. I'm using task 5. This is the kind that's crimped together. It's very hard to get apart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flood this 3-in-1 oil and put a 9-volt. I'll just take the lithium grease and just fill that. Alright, so there's the battery door. Now I just need to get rid of that and replace it. This goes up through here. Now this can go on. Alright, I think I'm going to do the switch just like this. Alright, everything is clean. Should be able to go back together. I'll have to go through here. That still is going to need to be on there. Slide that back out. Yeah, that's what I want. Put this in. And then snap this in. Nice. So there it is, a working MusicBot. You ready to see its annoying music in action? Well, here we go. So if you want the MusicBot, go check it out on eBay. There's a link in the description. If you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. If you want to see more stuff like this, hit the subscribe button. I want to thank these people right here. These people are the people bringing you this MusicBot, and I couldn't do any of this stuff without them. And I thank them oh so very, very, very much. if you want to help out and be a patron like these people, there are some perks, so go check it out. There's links and everything. Anyway, that's it. The MusicBot. That was
Robot Garage.